right, we're gonna do 6 more. We're gonna have about a 10-minute break. I'm gonna give you guys some time to get up in here and get into the raffle, the donation box. We have over $2,000 worth of prizes to give away in the next hour. Okay, here we go. We're gonna draw. Reach in there, close your eyes, draw me 6 out of there, and we're gonna get some away. I know. I hope it's your name. That's the way to do it, man. How many do we say? 6, all right? All right, I think that gets it right. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. All right, thank you so much. Appreciate it. All right, here we go. For one, you're Sid Paul, P-A-U-L, last name, first name Sid, last name Paul, come claim your prize. Aaron Slayton. Went on there ticket down. Yeah, Aaron. Rubber. And I bet you wrote Debbie Elliott's name down too, didn't you, Aaron? Debbie Elliott and Aaron Slayton, winner, back to back. Butch Gillinger. Butch Gillinger and Robbie M. I don't know Robbie, if you're here, come claim your prize, brother. We're gonna take about 5 or 6. There you go. People love the prize. All right, we're gonna take 5 or 6 minutes. We'll be right back. Judges are finishing up. We're gonna give away our last hour prizes, and then we will give out the trophies. All right.